Hey, what's up? Zigzer here. TikTok usernames are your digital identity, and sometimes you might want to switch things up like rebranding or want a fresh username. In this video, I'll show you the steps on how to change it. Let's go. To change the username, launch the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, to access your profile page. Look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. Within the profile editing options, locate the username field. Edit your old username or type in a new username entirely. After entering your desired username, tap Save to apply the changes, then Confirm. Once you've saved your new username, it will be updated immediately. TikTok only allows you to change your username once every 30 days officially. However, if you need to change it sooner, there are a couple of unofficial methods you can try. One option is to contact TikTok support through the Report a Problem section, explaining your situation and requesting assistance. Go to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner. Click the Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. Go to Account and Profile, and then Editing Profile. Wait for it to load, then tap Other. Here, click the Need More Help and explain on TikTok Help Desk that you need to change your username and ask if they can help. Another method involves changing your device's date to 30 days in the future, and then attempting to change the username within the app. Go to your device's settings. Find General and tap Date and Time. Turn off Set Automatically and manually set the date to 30 days in the future. Open TikTok and try to change your username. Once you have changed your username, you can set your device's date back to the correct time. Regardless of the method, ensure your desired username is available and follows TikTok's guidelines. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.